distribution finds its application in problems concerning radar detection, number of tails or heads obtained when a coin is tossed for finitely many times, number of defectives from out of a sample of products manufactured by a company, number of trials of firing a gun so that it hits the target successfully, etc. Let's look at an example. In a sampling, mean number of defectives from out of a sample of 20 is 2. That is, mean equals 2. And number of samples n equals 20, which is a finite quantity. Therefore, we can make use of binomial distribution. If we choose P as the probability of getting defectives as the probability of success. Out of 1000 samples, how many is expected to contain at least 3 defectives? Since mean for a binomial distribution is given by mu equals np, we have mu equals 2 equals np, where n equals 20. Therefore, 20p can be equated to 2, from where we have p equals 2 by 20, which is 0.1. Here, probability of success is probability of the part being defective from the samples, and q will be the probability of getting non-defective part from the samples. Therefore, q equals 1 minus p equals 1 minus 0.1. Therefore, q equals 0.9. To evaluate probability of at least 3 defective parts to be found in the sample of 20, it's enough to take total probability 1 minus probability of 1 defective part to be found, probability of 0 defective parts to be found, probability of exactly 2 defective parts to be found. If you subtract from the total probability 1 these 3 probabilities, then you will get the answer for the desired probability. To check the probability of at least 3 defectives to be found, we will subtract 3 probability values from the total probability 1. The probability values that has to be subtracted are probability that exactly 0 defective parts are found, probability that exactly 1 defective part is found, probability that exactly 2 defective part is found. When these 3 probabilities are added and subtracted from total probability 1, you will get the desired probability. Probability that exactly 1 defective part is found is obtained as 20C1 0.1 raised to 1 into 0.9 raised to 19. Probability that exactly 2 defective parts are found is obtained as 20C2 0.1 raised to 2 into 0.9 raised to 18. Probability that 0 defective parts are found is obtained as 20C0 0.9 raised to 20. When you add up these 3 probabilities, you obtain 0.9 raised to 18 that can be taken outside, and the rest values will sum up to give you 4.51. When you subtract this value from 1, you obtain the desired probability as 0.323. Therefore, number of samples with at least 3 defectives, if we consider 1000 samples, is obtained as 1000 times 0.323, which is 323.